Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Amara's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make potato salad with a little bit of twist to eat. Yes, special ingredient to this potato salad. And Merry Christmas to you all in advance. Very soon, in a couple of days, it's gonna be Christmas. So guys, Merry Christmas in advance. So stay tuned while we start this recipe, okay? And if you're new to my channel, you're very welcome to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. So here I have my Irish potato already cut and washed and ready to go. So the next, I have my water boiling, so I'll go ahead and pour in the potatoes that are already cut and washed and ready. I'll just cover that up and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. So meanwhile, I'll show you guys the ingredients: egg, celery, green onions, also known as spring onions, and I have my yellow onions. And the next, I'll be adding some mayonnaise, and to that a little bit of honey mustard, and also black pepper, salt, and the special ingredient pineapple. So guys, let's get cooking. So you see the potatoes are kind of pretty good right now, so I usually try that on by just press it a little bit to see how soft or how tender it is. You don't want it to be too like overcooked, so everything's gonna just mash together. So once it's cooked enough, I'll just drain them out in a water. So I will drain the water out, the hot water out, and I went ahead to pour in some cold water to cool it off, because when you leave it on, the cooking process continue. So I usually stop the cooking process by pouring cold water over that to stop it right away. So after that, I'll go ahead and rinse the water out. So I just feel it to see how cold it is, so it's no longer hot at this point. So I'll go ahead and bring it out. You can see with just a little pressure, you can easily smush the potatoes. So these are the ingredients I already showed to you guys, and this is the 3 eggs. I already chopped them up in a little sizes. So in a large bowl, I'll go ahead and mix up everything, combine all the ingredients together. So the mayonnaise, the mustard, mix that up, add the onions, the green onions, the celery, the egg, then I'll mix up everything together. So I added just a little bit of onions, just the regular onions. I added just a little bit because you don't want to overpower the stuff with onions. Now I added my pineapple. So this is like the secret ingredient that I feel like adding to this, and it was so amazing. Like when you take a bite of the salad, then you have a bite of that pineapple in it. Oh my god, you just want to give this a try. So I just added my potatoes, and I will stack everything up properly until they are well combined, just like that. So I just want to give it a taste. Remember, when I was cooking the potatoes, I did not add a salt, but you're free to add salt at the beginning when you're making the potatoes. But right now, I just added a little bit, like half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. So I'll go ahead and combine all of it together right now. So once they are well combined, I'll go ahead and give it another taste to see how it tastes right now. And it tastes amazing. Yeah, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. So let's go ahead and dish this out. So guys, if you haven't tried making your potato salad with pineapple. I really encourage you guys to give it a try. Believe me, you'll thank me later. So I will just go ahead and garnish that with the remaining of spring onion. This is optional. You don't have to like do this, but it makes it look so amazing and attractive. Yeah. So, but if you don't like green onions, you can completely skip adding green onions to this recipe. It's just fine. You can skip whatever you feel like skipping, or you can add whatever you feel like adding. That's just fine. So as you can see, on the side, I have my fried mackerel fish. Yeah, so this is mackerel on the side. So this is like a complete dish that you can have for lunch or dinner. Thank you guys for watching, and Merry Christmas in advance. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.